Students, we are going to see the next part of this lesson, polygon. So we said how to find the sum of the angles of a polygon. Yeah, for n sides of a polygon. Okay, n sides. Sides are not given. N sides. It can be 3 sides or 4, 5, 6, any number. Okay. Now in the geometry equation we learned x. We used the variable x. Okay, when we did not know a number, now we said the age of someone. Okay, we did not know, or the price of a notebook. When we did not know, we put as x. So here we use n sides of a polygon. It can be any number. Okay. So sum of the angles is equal to n minus 2 into 180. This is very important formula that you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now we just look here. Say pentagon. How many sides are there? 5 sides are there. Okay. So here, this pentagon I am dividing like this. It is a quadrilateral plus a triangle. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a triangle. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It is a quadrilateral plus a triangle. From this pentagon I am making all these things. Okay. Now we can say sum of the angles of a pentagon is equal to sum of the angles of a quadrilateral plus sum of the angles of a triangle. Okay, that's what written here. Sum of the angles of a pentagon. The sum of the angles of this pentagon is equal to sum of the angles of a quadrilateral plus sum of the angles of a triangle. Okay, I hope you have understood. How many sides are here? You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, you look at how many sides are here. So, how will you find out the sum of the angles of this particular polygon? How many sides are there? You can write, yeah, 8 sides are there. Okay, how to find out? The sum is equal to 8 sides are there. 8 minus 2 into 180. Okay, that is 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 into 180. That is, you have to multiply and see. Now you look here. I am joining from one vertex to the other. Okay. How many triangles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles are drawn here. Okay, how many triangles are there? 6 triangles. Now, what is the sum of the angles of a triangle? What is the sum of the angles of a triangle? We learned in the beginning, sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Okay. Now here 180. How many triangles are there? 6 triangles. So what is the sum of the angles of a triangle? 180. How many triangles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sum of the angles of this particular polygon, how much? That is equal to 6 into 180. That is same as here. So what is 6 into 180? 6 into 180 is equal to 1080. Okay. Now you look here. You see, when there are 3 sides, the sum of the angles of a polygon is 3 sides. That means triangle. Sum is equal to 180. Okay. 4 sides means 180 plus 180. Okay. With what we call 3 sides. That is 180. Each time as the number of sides increase, you increase 180 or add 180. Now, 5 sides are there. 5 sides, 4 sides, how much we got? 360. So 360 plus 180. That is equal to 540. Now 6 sides how much? We got 5 sides 540. 540 plus 180 is equal to 720. Always you have to remember the sum of the angles of a polygon will be the multiple of 180. It will be multiple of 180. Hope it is clear to you. Sum will be always multiple of 180. Okay, keep in mind. Now we shall see one problem. You can see in the textbook. The question is, what is the sum of the angles of a 52-sided? What is the sum of the angles of a 52-sided polygon? Okay, if there are 52 sides, what will be the sum of the angle? So what is the formula for us? Sum is equal to n minus 2 into 180. So what are the things given to us? How many sides are there? 52 sides. That is n is equal to 52. Okay. Now just you have to substitute the value there. Therefore, sum is equal to 52 minus 2 into 180. Okay. 52 minus 2 is 50. 50 into 180. What is 50 into 180? Calculate and see. 50 into 180 is how much? So this is the sum of the angles. Okay. The next question. The sum of the angles of a polygon is 8100 degree. Okay. The sum of the angles of a polygon is 8100 degree. How many sides does it have? How many sides? We need to find out how many sides are there. Okay. So what is given to us? The sum of the angles. This is 9000 degree. Okay. Sum of the angles of a polygon, that is equal to, we can write n minus 2 into 180 is equal to, how much it is given? 8100. It's already given. Now what we have to find out? How many sides does it have? How many sides? We have to find out the n. N is not given to us. Okay, we have to find out n. So what we can do here? Yeah, n minus 2 is equal to 8100 divided by 180. How much it will be? Yeah, all of you calculate and see. N minus 2, how does n minus 2 comes? Yeah, it was n minus 2 into 180. In the equation we have learned, in the chapter 2 equation we have learned, what we have learned? Yeah, we have learned when there is multiplication, when it is going after equal sign, we have to divide. So it is n minus 2 into 180. So in order to find out n minus 2, I have to take 180, 8100 divided by 180. Okay. And I said in the just before I said it will be always multiples of 180. It is always, sum of the angles will be always the multiple of 180. So what is n minus 2? 8100 divided by 180. How much it will be? N minus 2 is equal to 45. We divide and see, you get 45. N minus 2 is equal to 45. Therefore, n is equal to 45. Now you have to remember the chapter equation, the algebra. Now minus 2 is going after equal sign. So minus 2 will become plus 2. So therefore n is equal to 47. How many sides were there? In this particular polygon, 47 sides are there. Okay.